Camphor can be used to drive away negativity. It's a sort of cleansing, and at the same time it will attract good luck to you, prosperity, money, favor, abundance. It will attract it to your life. We are going to be looking at how to attract abundance, money, wealth, prosperity using camphor. This spiritual exercise, we are going to be needing some ingredients. If you are able to get these ingredients, then you are very lucky. But for those who cannot get these ingredients, there are so many other rituals that we have talked about. You can check my channel. I've talked about so many rituals that you can do to attract abundance to yourself, to manifest money, to attract favor, to attract money and luck. So this one will be needing, the first ingredient we'll be needing is the camphor, and this is camphor. This is it. This is it. You are going to be needing camphor, and you can see it is this. These are the small ones. There are bigger camphors. We are going to be needing camphor. Then we'll need charcoal. You need charcoal. You need charcoal. Then we'll need our incense burner. Incense burner. You can see how it is. Incense burner. This is incense burner. This is incense burner. I've just gotten this newly. The one I have at home is already spoiled. This is one is very new. I got it purposely because of this video, just to show you how it looks. So let's get into it. How do we do this? This ritual is very straightforward. It's very straightforward. What you need to do is you get enough charcoal in this. You get enough charcoal in this incense burner. Get enough charcoal, and once you get the charcoal, you get enough charcoal. Once you get the charcoal, you can see I have charcoal. Once you get the charcoal, then you need your matches, just any light or lighter that you can use to light this, because what we are going to do between is we want to light this charcoal in the incense burner and burn our camphor. So the next thing is to light this charcoal. Once you light the charcoal, then you get 2 pieces or 3 of the camphor. Every room in your house or every room in your home, if you have a private room or if you have a flat, as we call it in our country, like 3-bedroom or 2-bedroom. So you are going to be doing this ritual in every room of your house. But if you live in a rented apartment, you can also do it. If it is 1 room or if it is 2 rooms, you have to do it in all the rooms. So after lighting your charcoal in the incense burner, then you are in every room of your home, you drop the camphor. You drop the camphor. You drop the camphor and you leave it. Let the fragrance fill that room. Let the fragrance fill the room. What this will do is simple. It's going to drive away the negativity in your house. All the things that are blocking you from attracting wealth, attracting money, attracting favor, it will drive it away, and it will now bring positivity into that house. Don't joke with this. If you can do this, I bet you things will start getting better, especially those who are finding things so difficult and so rough. This is a simple spiritual exercise, but very, very, very effective. Very, very effective. And by the way, you can use any camphor. Even if it is the block one, you can use it. Camphor is camphor. Though this one is a little bit better, but you can use the bigger one. This one is the smaller one. There are bigger ones, you can use the bigger ones. But make sure every room in your house, you make sure you do the ritual. Once you place this, let the fragrance fill the room. Then after, then go to the next room, also do the same. Put another 2 or 3 camphor, pieces of camphor. Do it all the rooms. In fact, it will even be better if you do it everywhere of your house, even in your kitchen. Make sure you do it everywhere. Let the fragrance, and I will prefer you do it in the evening when when you have finished cooking, you have finished eating, you can just do it. For then you go inside to go and sleep. And if you cannot do it in the evening, before you go to work, you can do it in all the rooms and go. By the time you come back, the fragrance will still be remaining in that house. And I bet you, if you can do it, this one is very effective. If you can do it, you can see I bought this new because I don't joke with it. The one I was using got spoiled. I have to go and buy another one. And it's not expensive. All the ingredients we'll be using for this ritual are not expensive. The camphor, you can get a very small camphor. You can get small camphor. In my place here in Nigeria where I am, I got the one for like 200 naira, and this incense burner is around 200 naira too in my place here. And charcoal, if you buy charcoal for like 200 naira, then you cannot finish it. You cannot finish it at once. At least you use it for more than 4 or 5 times. So you have everything you need to do. And what are you waiting for? Just do this. And like I told you, it's going to drive away all the negative, because it performs the function of spiritual cleansing. It's going to cleanse your home and the environment of any form of negativity. A lot of people complain they don't have job, they are not, nobody is coming to buy from them, they are not paying them well, they are not getting. It's because you have some spiritual negativity that is stopping you from achieving those things. So the best thing that you need to do is to first do away with negativity in your life. So you need to be doing all those rituals that will drive negativity from your home and your life. You need to start doing them from time to time. And this one, you can do it at least every week if you so desire. If you cannot do it every week, at least try to do it twice in a month. But if that is not possible, then make sure you do it once every month, especially at the end of every month. That is if you cannot do it every week. But I prefer if you can be doing it from time to time, because the more you do it, because spiritual things are not something that you do because they are not diabolical. You don't need any incantation, you don't need any sound. It's something that once you do it, it will start changing things for you gradually. It's not something that it's not magic. Spiritual things are not magic. So if you are performing any spiritual ritual, then you must do it systematically. You have to be patient. You do it, but make sure you are consistent. You do it from time to time. Before you know it, things will start coming your way. Things will start improving. You start seeing a lot of improvement in your financial life, in your marital life, in your life. Favor will start locating you. Goodness will start locating you. Money will start locating you. Wealth will start locating you. It is not something that you do today and expect to see millions tomorrow. It's possible, but I'm not telling you that is. What I'm telling you is that you need to be consistent and you need to be patient, but you have to do it sincerely. Do it with sincerity, and don't forget, anything you want to do spiritually, you must always put intention. Put your intention. I don't want all this negativity in my life. This is what I want positivity, I want goodness. But even if you don't make any intentions, this is still going to work. It has been working and it will continue to work. It's not something new. The only problem I have with a lot of people is they don't really understand that the spiritual life controls the physical. what you see happening in this physical world has already happened in the spiritual world. Before anything can happen physically, it must have happened spiritually. So don't joke with your spiritual life. Take this serious and go ahead and start doing this now. By the way, if you are very new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Consider subscribing. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You see the red button, just hit it. Then you see the bell notification that will come up. Just click on it. Then you click on all. That means anytime I release good videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And like I said, there are so many videos I've done on spirituality, on how to manifest riches, goodness, and favor. You can check them. I will link some of them in the description. But check my channel, Smart Idea TV, and you will be you come and thank me later. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.